Hello, my name is Mona. In this video, I will show you how to grease your 807 dosing unit. You should regularly regrease your 807 dosing unit to avoid valve disc blockage. The regreasing interval depends on many factors, the main one being the solution used. For reagents that dissolve fats, lubrication should be done more frequently. Now I will show you how it is done. Remove any crystallization by rinsing with deionized water. Then take a soft tissue moistened with ethanol and wipe these parts. The valve disc, distributor, centering tube, and the inside of the housing. As soon as all parts are completely dry, you can lubricate them. To avoid contamination, do not use your bare fingers. Put a little grease onto your glove and apply a thin layer of grease on the valve disc. Place the valve disc on the distributor and rotate it a few times to uniformly distribute the grease. Check that the lubricant is distributed uniformly on the valve disc. Remove any excess grease from the valve disc hole. In the next step, lubricate the centering tube and the inside of the housing. Apply some grease as uniformly as possible on the top of the centering tube. Press the centering tube lightly into the housing and distribute the grease by rotating it a few times. Finally, assemble the 807 dosing unit. Align the marking on the cylinder element with the marking of the distributor. Cover the cylinder element with the housing and make sure the markings are aligned. Rotate the housing to the left until it snaps into place. Please note that the valve disc of a new 807 dosing unit is not greased, except for the 2 ml dosing unit. Before the first use, we recommend lubricating the valve disc. With this procedure, you can prevent blockage of your valve disc of the 807 dosing unit. Thanks for watching.